G'day. If you're looking to whip up some quick images using AI and you want a tool that saves you time while helping you create amazing designs, whether it's product images, logos, or even social media graphics for YouTube, TikTok, and more, then I've got the perfect solution for you, and it's completely free. This AI tool is absolutely brilliant. And today I'll show you exactly how to use it to generate all sorts of images with just a few commands. Whether you're a creator wanting to design images on a budget, this is a golden opportunity for you. We've got loads of themes to choose from, especially if you're into animals, plants, 3D photos, or even portraits of men and women. No matter what theme you're working with, there's something here for everyone. If you like what you see, just click on it and you can create stunning images like these in no time, all thanks to AI without spending a single cent. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating these types of images to help you design YouTube thumbnails, create brand logos, or even come up with animation-style images super quickly. I'll walk you through designing logos, anime-style images, and how to use them for TikTok content or any other social media, especially YouTube, to help you make money on these platforms. I'll show you the exact steps to create commands like this, completely free. This tool is a fantastic alternative to many of the paid tools we've used in the past. If you're looking for a tool that supports quick image design and saves time, this is the one for you. If you find this video helpful and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the AI-related content I share daily. All right, let's get into it. First, head to the link I have left in the description, then log into the AI system with your Gmail account for quick access. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with heaps of image templates you can choose from. Logos, 3D images, animated pictures, and product images. It's all here, ready to go, and it's all free. So if you're a YouTuber or if you're into content creation and want to produce quick, high-quality images like these, this tool is your ticket. It's a level playing field for everyone to create amazing visuals, whether for advertising, selling products, or building an online presence. Today's AI technology has come a long way, and as you can see, this system can generate exactly what you need in no time. Now, I'll show you how to use it to create these kinds of images, whether it's for TikTok, Facebook, or any other platform you choose. Let's dive in. In this section, you'll see a bunch of image samples. If you want to create a specific type of image, you can navigate to the appropriate section. Whether you're after product images or logos, just select what you need and start designing. If you want to create an image based on your preferences, just click on the Create AI Image feature on the left side. Here, you can enter your desired command to generate the image. If you're not sure how to use this feature, you can always use ChatGPT to write the command for you. After entering the command, you'll see options to choose the image size, and you can select how many images you want to create. Once you've made your selections, hit Create, and the system will start generating your images super quickly. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort this AI tool saves compared to traditional design methods. When the images are ready, you can preview them, download them, and you're all set with high-quality visuals. This AI tool makes it incredibly easy to produce sharp, professional images for any purpose. Whether you're creating a website, building a YouTube channel, or anything else, this tool gives you the power to create stunning designs quickly and effectively. All right, I've shared how to create fantastic images for YouTube, logos, and more using this AI tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe so you're the first to know when I release new content.